Clogged gutters, they're a problem. Hey guys, Jay with Excel Roofing. Today we're at a home and the gutters are clogged. We have water that's overflowing. The gutters need to be cleaned out twice a year if you live in an area that has trees and leaves around it. I recommend cleaning the gutters after Halloween, after all the leaves have fallen, and once in the springtime. April is a good time when those heavy rains start coming, so make sure that you keep your gutters cleaned. A company like Excel Roofing, we're experts at getting up on the roof and taking care of things like this. We can come out to your house and keep your gutters clean all year long. We'll inspect your roof at the same time. I like just cleaning the gutters and keeping the top of them open better than any of the gutter covers or anything like that. We just don't see any gutter covers that work real effective. Either what happens is all the junk gets piled up on top, or the metal covers, the water tends to run over the top of them in the heavy downpours. So I think it's best to just keep the gutters open, keep them clean, and make sure that your underground drains are open too. That's a big problem. So that's it for gutters today. If you have any questions, either give us a call or click. See ya.